Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some box braids, and this is my first time doing it. So, and I got my little helper back here. She will be parting my hair. So, good luck. Good luck to us, because girl, she did good so far. So far, she parted the back of my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. You can see it. Look at the camera.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
A little T.
Yeah. So she's gonna be parting the back of my hair, and I'm just gonna be doing the braids and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do the first two braids in the back off camera, and then we're gonna get on to parting the hair, the two sides in the back. I decided to do one on top, split down the middle with two sides, maybe like 3 braids on each side, 2 braids at the bottom. It's supposed to be a jumbo knot braids, knotless braids, and yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't know how I'm feeling. And then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 braids in the front. So we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so I used the 3X Rouwa hair in the shade 2. This is already pre-stretched and it comes in 3 bundles. So I got 3 packs of these, and then I got some Shine and Jam conditioning gel. This is the only gel that I use when I'm doing braids or when I'm parting my hair. I have my pick and my smooth brush. Now, I wasn't planning on doing a voiceover. I was planning on doing a talking like tutorial, but I didn't realize how stressful these braids were going to be. I literally struggled with these braids. I try to take my time doing the back because I was trying to go for the knotless look instead of the knot look, because I felt like I kept getting that knot at the top and I didn't want that. My daughter parted my hair. She did a good job, but you know, she's 9. I mean, we tried. But I just kept getting that knot look at the top, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted the knotless look so it could look more natural. So I was struggling, I'm not even gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to part my hair with my comb, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I get some smooth parting. So what I do is I'll part it first. Make sure it's even, make sure it's, you know, the same on each side. And then I'm going to take some of the Shine and Jam gel. And don't mind me, I was making a video on my phone as well. But I'm going to take the Shine and Jam gel, and then I'm just going to go along the part. And I feel like this just makes the parts more crispy. It makes it look neater. And then it gives you that, you know, precise look. Especially when you're trying to part. Parting is like the hardest part for me, like literally. I don't know how we did the back, but we did it. So yeah, I'm just going to part this and smooth it out with the comb. So after you smooth out your hair, you're going to section your hair into those 3 little sections as you're going to start your braid. And I find that I braid weird compared to other people. So yeah, I really can't even teach you guys how to braid right now. But I could do like a separate video for like natural hair. So what I did was I just added, I evened out some parts of the weave hair, and then I added it as I was going, and you could see that little knot that I was getting. It still felt like it wasn't like a knotless look, but at this point, you guys, I was so tired that I couldn't even redo it. It ended up looking nice. I did stretch it out a little bit so that they could look more full.
and it wouldn't look like skinny and stuff like that. But it was definitely hard. I would just suggest like braiding at the top when you're starting to loop your braids. Go 1, 2, and then add hair. 1, 2, add hair. And just make sure that the hair is blending in with your natural hair, because it was, listen, it was tough. And I can't even consider this a tutorial, because like I literally struggled myself. I just wanted to show you guys the realistic type of video, because it is not easy for everybody to do their own hairstyles. But you know, if you do decide to do it, this is what you probably go through, you know. I didn't want to pay anybody to do my hair, because this is around holidays, and you know, still getting gifts and still, you know, trying to recuperate from Christmas and getting all the other gifts that she was giving out. So I wanted to save my money, and I spent $21 on 3 packs of hair, and then I spent $5 on the jam, and that was it. So, you know, $27 style basically. You can't go wrong. It's just taking up your time and effort, you know. But I'm just making the parts even, make sure it matches the other side. If you like my lip gloss, please shop with me at www.medinabysanada.com. I do make my clear lip glosses, and my skin, if you're loving my skin, I do use my turmeric wash and my rose oil. So if you love the fact that my skin is glowing, yes, shop my website. So yeah, as you can see, I was braiding and then adding the hair at the top. So I'm trying to like separate it, and then I'm gonna start braiding it in. That one wasn't looking right for me. Yeah, but I still kept it. Because I was literally over it, guys. And then I'm 4 months pregnant, so I'm just like, bro, I'm done. I'm done with this. I was like, nope. It started to look good on the end. It was just the top that was a little, you know, weird looking, but you get it.
Okay, so this is the final look. Yes. Okay. I'm feeling it. I struggled with these braids, y'all. I really did. I'm about to go dip them in some water, because you see they're real stiff, and we want them to be nice and slick, like dropping, like we want them to be dropping. And then I'm thinking about adding some beads. So I think I'm gonna add beads to the ends to make them look a little cute or whatever. So we're gonna see. I'm about to go do that real quick. You guys can stay on. Okay, so I wet them, and you could see before they were like up, like a little stiff, but now the water has dropped them. I wet it to like about up to here. They're still wet. Let's see. Yeah, one's coming out, but that's fine. It's not gonna unravel at this point. Why that hair is curling like that? That's some crazy stuff. Anyway, but yeah. So now it is dropped completely. So I just like to take it and do that. So I have this foam, this Lotta Body foam. I've used it back in the days. So what I'm gonna just do is like just hit me with some of this. Yeah. We want everything that's up, we want it to sit down. We want it to sit down. Okay. what it's looking like on the top. Everything that's pretty much up. Sit it down. See how flat it looks now? It looks nice and natural. Yes, baby, yes. So, zoom it out. This is what it looks like. Back here. Looks like this. See? My boyfriend's do-rag is, but we're gonna be real ghetto. I'm gonna take my bonnet from Peachy Hair Care. I held it down and tied it in the back with a rubber band. And that's how we're gonna do that. Now, you could put what fits on the stick. So 1, 2, 3, oh shit, 4. Put the 4 on here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the hair, right, and you're gonna put it through the hole like so, right? And then you're just gonna loop the beads through. Easiest peasiest thing. So I'm thinking if I should add like a few more beads. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit more beads.
So I just want to show you guys how my hair looks. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I tried my best, and you know, I'm not a hair braider, and it came out pretty nice, you know, for it being my first time attempting to try the knotless braids. Yeah, this is a cute style, could last for like up to 2 weeks, nothing major. I just really wanted to do something to my hair because I'm pregnant, don't want to do my hair all day every day, and I just needed something quick, and I like it. The back actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be. But yeah, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok at YouLoveSonata with 3 A's. Make sure you shop my website. And please make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Thank you for sticking through the video and listening to me. Appreciate you. What videos would you like to see next? Comment below.